Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Meek for another at-home activity. This is lesson 13, and today we're going to have kind of a Pete the Cat theme. Since Pete the Cat is getting ready for Christmas, we are going to also. So on our paper today that you're going to get, I'm going to have you put your name. We are going to be making words with the word chunks and the word chunk at. We're going to do this activity together, and I have a little fun dice that we're going to use. And when I roll it, we're going to see what letter is on it, and then we're going to see if we can make an and word with it or an at word with it. And if it's a silly word, we're not going to write it, but if it's a word that makes sense, we're going to write it on our paper. So I'm going to roll the dice, try not to make it go off the table. And our first letter is an H, so I'm going to write that underneath the and chunk. So I've got han, and I have hat. And han is a nonsense word that doesn't really make sense, so I'm not going to write that word. But under the at chunk, if I put H in front of at, hat is a word, so I'm going to write that down. So on your paper, I'm going to have you write hat, H-A-T. And then I'm not going to write that and word, so I'm going to erase that one. Okay, now I'm going to roll the die again. And I've got a P. So I'm going to put a P in front of and that makes pan. P plus an is pan, and pl plus at is pat. Those are both words. So on my paper, I'm going to write pan and pat. And I've got them sorted by and I have them sorted by at. Okay, I'm going to roll my die again. And this time I have an M. So I'm going to write M in front of and that makes man and mat. M, and m, at. Man and mat are both words. So on my paper, I'm going to write man and mat. And I have them sorted right here by their word chunk. Okay, I'm going to see what I get next. Okay, I already did them. Really likes them. Okay, I've got an H. I'm going to make it clear on here. It's kind of wearing off. So I already did H. Oops, got F, haven't done F. Ding, ding, ding. So I'm going to put an F in front of and I'd have f, and f, at. So F in front of and makes fan, F in front of at makes fat. So I'm going to go ahead and write f, and f, at. And I filled up my at chunk. I'm going to see if I can do one more on this one. There's one more letter I really need, and it's C. So if I put a C in front of and, I kind of ran out of room. I'm going to put it over here. This is a word wall word, so we should really know this one. K plus an is can. So I'm going to write can on this side. So by using word chunks and putting a new letter in front, I can make new words. And we just did that with and at, two chunks that we've practiced in the past. Now the next activity that we're going to do is I've attached the link today, and you're going to listen to Pete the Cat on Save Share. It's a super cute story about how Pete the Cat wants to go to all these different places around Christmas time. And then what I would like for you to do today is I've attached a Pete the Cat. I want you to cut out your Pete the Cat. You can color, you can decorate him, make him look how you want, because your Pete the Cat is going to go on a little vacation. Today on your paper, it's going to say name, and this is going to be important. I'm going to write my first name, Wendy. On here, you are going to cut out your Pete the Cat, and I'm going to use the words, my Pete the Cat will go to. So I'm going to write my Pete the Cat will go, and I'm using my word ball words, so you should know these. My Pete the Cat will go to. You are going to say where your Pete the Cat would go to on his vacation. You're going to cut him out, glue him on your paper, and then I want you to really color and decorate it and make this look really nice because I'm going to make it into a class book. So if you don't return your page, it's not going to be in the book. And this will be a nice book that we can share in the classroom. So today, before you finish, I've got a math review page at the back that is just going to be a review of some of the things that we have done so far in this last couple of weeks in math, and I want to see if you can try to count and do those on your own. So I'll see you next time.